Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use our semi-automatic eyeletting machine. Now, to start off with, the most obvious difference from this machine as opposed to any other that we sell, like a green machine here, is this one is on wheels. Typically this is used for popping eyelets into banners, therefore you'd have a long piece of fabric that you would wheel this along next to as the fabric comes through underneath here. And then you would pull through all the eyelets that you need. As you can see, this does have a large hopper, so we fill this up with eyelets. This is our 10mm version. The machine will only do one size at a time. So we've got some 10 more eyelets in here. As we pull the handle down, inside the hopper will spin. We have some brushes inside that spin. They feed eyelets into the neck part here, and then in one motion we punch a hole and fit the eyelet into place. So let's get a bit more of a close-up and show you how it all works. Okay, so here we have a much closer up view of what's actually going on. So here is the neck that moves on your machine. Just here is the die set, so this is what's going to be moving down as I'm pressing the handle. You can see that goes all the way down. You can hear it. That's spinning the hopper at the top, which is feeding the eyelets down here. As it feeds here and I push the handle down, the die set is going to grab an eyelet which is sitting just under there. It will pull the eyelet out the end of the neck here and it will push it down into the material. So let's put our material underneath and we'll show you again how it works. So there you have the front side, and there is the flowered backing with no washer needed. We'll just do it one more time, a bit faster this time. So I'll just push down nice and swift, take off any excess, which there is on this one a little bit. It's good. There we are, and that's again that nice circle finish with no washer needed.